Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to show you the 3 add-on kits available to go with your Flavors of the Month kit. So you can add on more cardstock, more pattern paper, and more embellishments to your Flavors of the Month to have it go even further and have even more options. I don't know about you, but this is a great deal to have new products coming into your scrap room each and every month to create with. And don't forget that the Shots of Life kit also coordinates with the Flavors of the Month, so it's another great option to add on as well. So let's dig in and we'll take a closer look at each one of these add-ons and everything that you'll be receiving. Our first add-on we're going to look at is the Cardstock add-on. And in the Cardstock add-on, you're going to receive 3 additional cardstocks to coordinate with each one of the 4 collections. So this will give you more options to do backgrounds, your photo mats, your digital die cuts, all kinds of things you can do with your cardstock. So for the Cardabella Oh Happy Day, you're going to receive a sheet of mustard cardstock and 2 sheets of crimson. For the Fancy Pants Vitamin C, you're going to receive a sheet of Rosebud and 2 sheets of Robin's Egg Blue. For the Pebbles Sun and Fun, you're going to get a sheet of lipstick and 2 sheets of Butterscotch. For the Simple Stories Going Places is 1 sheet of Scarlet and 2 sheets of Walnut. So you can see, even with it all laid out here, how well the different colors will go with different collections. So don't be afraid to mix and match those cardstocks and those pattern papers and those collections to come up with even more options. Our next add-on we're going to look at is the pattern paper add-on. This is one of my favorites. So the pattern paper add-on, you'll receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. None of these are going to be duplicates of what was in your Flavors of the Month kit. They'll be extra patterned papers, so it gives you even more options. I always get so excited seeing all the pattern paper out and all of the designs and the colors. So the first, for Cardabella Oh Happy Day, we have this paper that has just the frame of florals and the little lemons on the white cardstock background. The back is a pink polka dot. This one is called Bloom Border. And then we have this one with the little jars of flowers, super pretty on that turquoise background. The back is a yellow polka dot. This one is called Flower Jars. From Vitamin C and Fancy Pants, we have the guys and the gals in the inner tubes and the floaties out on the water. The back has sun, sand, sea, and summer written out in a cursive writing in blue on that yellow background. This one's called Seahabilitation. This one, called Summer Sweetness, is the pineapple on that pale yellow background. And the back is a 2-toned aqua striped, so that one's a really pretty paper. For Pebbles Sun and Fun, we have this one called Butterfly Love, which has all of the, kind of reminds me of quilt blocks in all of the beautiful summer colors. The back is a 2-toned blue cloud print, and again, full branding strips up here with the butterflies. This one called Scattered Blossoms, which is the small floral print, and the back is a 2-toned pink striped. For Simple Stories Going Places, we have this beautiful floral. The background is a map in that dark navy blue. That one's called Happy Travels. This one's called Detours. I love this paper here. It's got the 5 different strips of just different scenes, so you could use it all together or cut these apart as borders on different pages. I have so many ideas for this paper here. The back has the geotags with all of the different little travel icons in the center. So one more look at your patterned paper add-on. You definitely want to get that one added to your Flavors of the Month. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on, another one of my favorites. This is one I just don't think you can pass up on. So you're going to get even more embellishments to coordinate with each one of the collections. So from Pebbles Sun and Fun, you're going to get half of the sticker sheet. So this is a 6x12 sticker sheet. So this one will vary in the embellishment kit, but this is the one I received. Has some of the little kids in their swimwear and the little floaties. Just think these are such sweet little icons. For Fancy Pants Vitamin C, you're going to get the chipboard stickers. So we have the umbrella and the sandcastle and the little palm leaves, the crab. So perfect little icons for beach layouts or just having some fun in the sun. For Cartabella, Oh Happy Day, you're going to get the alphabet sticker. So this is a really fun add-on so that you can do your titles. It has this gorgeous, really skinny, tall black font with the florals on it. Super cute. And then for Going Places, Simple Stories, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet as well. So we have this border here in the dark navy blue. Lots of word labels that Simple Stories is known for. And all of the fun travel icons and pieces that you can use for titles and embellishments. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons available to go with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the ScrapRoom store, as well as individual items that you can add into your order. Don't forget to check out that Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with your flavors of the month as well. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to show us what you create with your kits.